Hello everyone, I made my own wonton wrapper and a dipping sauce. So if you want to know how, just watch the whole video. So I have 2 cups of flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and I think a half a cup of, or not even a cup of water. You have to add it gradually. And then mix it with your hand. I know it's sticky, but transfer it to the surface, flat surface, and make sure that you put flour on the surface so it won't stick. And knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So after kneading for 10 minutes, just put flour on top of the dough so it won't stick. So I cut it in half because it's easier for me, or probably you guys should do it too. Roll it until it reaches like paper thin. So this is it. I think it's 10 by 10. So I cut the edges so I can make squares. It's not perfect, but oh well. And this is my square. So the other half of the dough I put in the fridge, so maybe if I use it another time, I can make another wrapper. And that's my wonton wrapper for my cream cheese rangoon. So now I'm preparing my filling for my rangoon. So that's a whole box of cream cheese. And then I put 2 tablespoons of sugar and then mix it. And I added onion. I grated it. And mix it. That's it. And I put half a teaspoon of cream cheese to my wonton wrapper. 14 cream cheese rangoon. I put 2 cups of oil. And just put the rangoon slowly. And here's my deep fried rangoon. And now here's how to make the dipping sauce. So it's 2 tablespoons of sugar, put it on a little saucepan. And then I add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup, any ketchup that you like. And then I added 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Just mix it together. Mix it really well. And then after you mix it, you add in the cornstarch. Just put a little bit of water just to dissolve it. And then it's ready. That's the sauce. If you want a little bit sour, you can add more vinegar. It depends on you, but I only add 2 tablespoons because I think my husband doesn't like too sour. So it's easy. It takes only like 2 minutes to make the sauce. Thank you for watching. Bye. And here's my cream cheese rangoon. Thank you for watching. Bye.